Assalamualaikum guys, I am your online tutor Hussain Khan from YouTube. Today we will learn about the escape sequence in Python. So first of all, we will learn practically escape sequence, how can work. So let's start. Backslash single quote means single quote. Now I show you practically. So open your Python ID and write print. This is single quote and write the main escape sequence. Backslash single quote. Now run it, shift plus F10. You can see here this is single quote and the output is there. Single quote. Backslash double quote means double quote. Now we check it practically. Go to the PyCharm ID and write in the print function this is double quote and write main escape sequence backslash double quote. Now run it, shift plus F10. Now you can see there this is double quote and main output is double quote. Double backslash means backslash, so we can check it. Write print function and write in it this is backslash double backslash, this is double backslash, so it means double backslash means single backslash. Now we can run it, this is backslash, so main escape sequence result is backslash. Backslash n means new line. Now we can check a function and write this is first line, write backslash n and this is second line, so we can check it and run it, shift plus F10. So you can see there this is the first line and this is the second line. So backslash n gives the advantage as we can write single print function for writing two lines. Slash d means tab. Now we check it, run it. Now you can see it, this is backslash tab, so backslash is used to give some extra space in the program. Backslash b means backslash, so we can check it, print hello backslash world, run it, hello world. We can see the difference, hello is HELLOW backslash, so backslash can remove one O and write the main hello world.